Welcome! I'm Rony. Today, we're talking about movies and TV shows. People love talking about movies, about the latest series, about that classic film everyone has seen. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Asking someone about movies. Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies? What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like? Have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen any good movies lately? What's your favorite movie of all time? What's your favorite movie of all time? Are you watching any good TV shows right now? Are you watching any good TV shows right now? Talking about movie genres. I like action movies with lots of excitement. I like action movies with lots of excitement. I prefer comedies. They make me laugh. I prefer comedies. They make me laugh. Romantic movies are my favorite. Romantic movies are my favorite. I love science fiction, movies about the future. I love science fiction, movies about the future. Horror movies are too scary for me. Horror movies are too scary for me. I enjoy documentaries. I learn something new. I enjoy documentaries. I learn something new. Talking about TV shows. I'm binge-watching a new series. I'm binge-watching a new series. Binge-watching means watching many episodes, one after another. Binge-watching means watching many episodes, one after another. I can't stop watching. It's so addictive. I can't stop watching. It's so addictive. Each episode is about an hour long. Each episode is about an hour long. There are 10 episodes in the first season. There are 10 episodes in the first season. I'm waiting for the next season to come out. I'm waiting for the next season to come out. Describing what you watched. I just watched a great movie last night. I just watched a great movie last night. The acting was incredible. The acting was incredible. The special effects were amazing. The special effects were amazing. The plot was a little confusing, but overall I liked it. The plot was a little confusing, but overall I liked it. The ending surprised me. I didn't expect that. The ending surprised me. I didn't expect that. It was a bit too long, almost 3 hours. It was a bit too long, almost 3 hours. I would definitely recommend it. Giving your opinion. In my opinion, it's the best movie of the year. In my opinion, it's the best movie of the year. I thought the acting was fantastic. I thought the acting was fantastic. The cinematography was beautiful. Every shot was perfect. The cinematography was beautiful. Every shot was perfect. The soundtrack really added to the emotion. The soundtrack really added to the emotion. I wasn't a big fan of the ending. I wasn't a big fan of the ending. It wasn't as good as the book. It wasn't as good as the book. The sequel was better than the original. The sequel was better than the original. Practice conversation. Have you seen anything good on Netflix lately? Have you seen anything good on Netflix lately? Yeah, I just finished a really good series. Yeah, I just finished a really good series. What's it about? What's it about? It's about a group of friends on an adventure. It's about a group of friends on an adventure. Sounds interesting. Maybe I'll check it out. Sounds interesting. Maybe I'll check it out. Practice conversation 2. What's your favorite movie of all time? What's your favorite movie of all time? That's a hard question, but I'd say The Godfather. That's a hard question, but I'd say The Godfather. Really? Why do you like it? The acting is incredible, and the story is so powerful. The acting is incredible, and the story is so powerful. Closing. Today you learned how to talk about movies and TV shows. Now you can join conversations about what everyone's watching. Practice these phrases with friends. Talk about your favorite movies. Ask others what they recommend. This was Learning with Rony. I'm Rony. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.